Look at this magnificent place here in Bushkill, Pennsylvania, an area of mountains and waterfalls, waters of the Delaware River, hiking on a trail, and along the trail there are several waterfalls. Isn't that cool? Here you can see one of Bushkill's waterfalls. Bushkill is a very beautiful area here in Pennsylvania, in the Poconos region. It's about an hour and a half from Manhattan. A very beautiful area. Lots of nature, trails, many waterfalls, lots of animals, beautiful parks, stunning landscapes, and above all, lots of nature. Very well maintained, very well managed, preserved. The trails are excellent, the facilities are wonderful. There are restrooms here, plenty of water, food, and lots of nature. A lot of nature. Bushkill is definitely an excellent outing for you to do with your family. A great weekend trip. And for those who like camping, you can camp here too. Just make a reservation. You can choose to camp alone, with your family, or with your friends, and you're sure to really enjoy it. At this point, I spotted a little animal over there, but it ran away. This day was really great. We made the most of it. We really enjoyed ourselves. And the Poconos is a region I always visit. I like it a lot. Once again, nature all around. Mountains all around. Lots of forest. And that's the exit. Thank you very much for watching the video. And keep backpacking USA.